All the tools and materials you need for this nose ring earring is in the description below. I wasn't paid to put this link there. I just put it. I made research for you guys and I put it so it just be easy for you to make your nose ring earring and your craft in general. Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how I made this earring nose ring. Two things you have to know before we go to this DIY is, number one, when you get your nose ring, this nose ring is a clip-on. You open it a bit to feel it comfortable in your nose because this nose ring is a bit harsh because it's a clip-on. But if you already have a pierced nose, you are good to go. Number two, before you put your nose ring, you wear your earring, then take the chain to your nose. When you are okay with the length, you cut the chain, then put your nose ring, you are good to go. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and on the notification bell. The materials needed for this nose ring is listed in the description below. So what I will do first is I will break my cover button. I'll break my cover button like this. Then I will punch this cover button. You punch it in the extreme. Then put my eyelets in the hole I punched. Then use my eyelet tool to close it. See how it is? I'll take my chain, pass it through the hole, like so. Then close it with my jump ring. You see what I did? My chain passed it through the hole like this. Then pass my jump ring through. Then pass it through the chain like so. Then pass the chain through this nose ring. You see the way it is, guys. I'll pass my ear stud components. I'll pass my ear stud component through the felt disc. Then use F6000 glue and just put F6000 glue around like so. You put gum in your felt disc where you are putting the hole of the earring, and you pass the ear stud through like this. Then you just eyeball this place. You eyeball it where this hole is. You just eyeball it and put it straight like this. Voila, my nose earring is ready. My nose earring, yeah, that's what I should call this. My nose earring is ready, so beautiful and fashionable. You see, guys, this is it. It's just a quick tutorial of how to do this. This is so beautiful. I love this nose earring. Who is that that's passing? Distraction. Let me show you my hair. I love this bun that I made. Okay.